Today I'm gonna show you how to make Filipino baked macaroni. Here's the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oil, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 whole onion, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 pound of tomato sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 whole of bell pepper, yellow or red, and 1 bell pepper green, and 1 pound of elbow macaroni. For the white sauce, 1 can of evaporated milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 1/2 cup of Velveeta cheese. Here's the noodle, the elbow macaroni noodle that I boiled and then waited until they're soft and put it on the 9x15 Pyrex. I put 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm gonna start cooking the garlic. Then I'm gonna start adding the onions and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft. So after garlic, onion, I'm gonna add the ground beef. After the meat cooked, you can see it's brown color. You're gonna add salt, black pepper, parsley, one-third of soy sauce, and add the green pepper and yellow pepper. You can use any bell pepper. We're gonna add the tomato sauce. Meat, it's done, so I have to mix it on the macaroni, elbow macaroni. So next I'm gonna put some butter. And put some 1 cup of evaporated milk. I'm gonna stir it until it thickens. The flour and dilute it on 1 cup of water and add it on the sauce. Continue stirring until the flour is dissolved. After the flour dissolved, I'm gonna add 1 cup of Velveeta cheese and stirring until the cheese is dissolved. I'm gonna pour this white sauce on top of the macaroni. I'm gonna put the shredded cheese on top and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes for 375 degrees. This is what it looks like when it's done. Filipino baked macaroni.